Hey guys, you know I've been saying two words. I got mixed up with my email address. So it's just Kieran basically. So now I'm just going to be saying, hey guys, it's Kieran. Okay? Got that? Very nice. Hello guys, it's Kieran here and I am on a camping trip. I am sleeping in that van there. Just wait.
Kieran, do you want this on so you don't get bitten? Sorry. So you don't get bitten, darling. Never even thought about midgets, do you know that? Oh. Passes my shoes, Kate.
There you go. I'm sorry if that was blank. I wasn't sure if I quit or not, but and there's mosquitoes in the chainsaw. I am sorry if you cannot hear me. There's chainsaws and midget. I don't know what you call them, but they are here. If I can zoom in, that's as far. They are sheep. Sheepity-doo. And this is only episode 1, so I might let it roll on, and I'll see you later. Only joking. I lied. No, seriously. I never lied. Bye, people. Bye. To a mountain over there of darkness.